Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. So today Ban Virat, Shwareddy, Srinu, Chandana joined. Yes, good morning Chandana. Good morning to everybody. Swati, Vardhani, Yadav, Srikant, Vamshi, Dheeraj, Josna, still joining. Okay. Josna, yes. Good morning Josna. Very good morning. Venkateshwarlu, Venugopal Reddy, Rohit Reddy, Nandu, Srikhar, Suresh. Okay, DK Creativity. Okay. Rohit Reddy, Preeti, Sanjay. I am not taking attendance. Okay, thank you. Sanjay. Okay. Tomorrow I will do one thing. I will take over all the list. I will allot the rule numbers. Okay? Can I allot the rule numbers to you? Sushma. Okay. Thank you. So now, Sanjay Harani. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay, now 15th problem. 15th problem. Mallikarjun Sharma. Okay, welcome Mallikarjun Sharma. How are you, Mallikarjun Sharma? Okay. Period of sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x is, this is the question. Once again, very good morning. Thank you Mallikarjun Sharma. Thank you for your cooperation. First option is pi by 2. Second option is pi. Third option is 3 pi by 2. Okay. Fourth option is 2 pi. So this is the question. So now the period of sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x is, so generally the tan x period is pi, cot x period is pi, you will take the LCM, then you will confirm that pi. No, that's absolutely wrong. Here we need to check it, because if you observe, even pi by 2 is the least value rather than pi. So let us check it now, whether pi by 2, if f of pi by 2 plus x is equal to f of x, then pi by 2 will be the obviously its period. So that means now we need to check it now. Let us check it. So first let us consider this one as f of x. So f of x is equal to sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x. Okay. Next, Lokesh, Ratnakumari. Okay, some new, so Arisha. Let us do it. F of pi by 2 plus x. First let us take least value of all the options. So sine of, so this can be written e power tan of pi by 2 plus x. plus e power cot of pi by 2 plus x. So, that means the sine of e power tan of is minus cot x plus this will be e power minus tan x. So, this does not equal to f of x. So, it is not the period. Now, second option is the period. That is all that will satisfy, because pi plus x in third quadrant. So, you can verify also f of pi plus x is equal to sine of e power tan of pi plus x plus e power cot of pi plus x. Pi plus x is the third quadrant. In third quadrant both tan cot are positive. So, that is why. So, now this we get sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x. This is nothing but f of x. So, this pi will be the period. Okay. So, I will repeat once again, if you put pi by 2 plus x is equal to, we are not getting f of x. So, pi by 2 is not its period, then go for pi plus x, next value. If you substitute pi plus x, tan of 180 plus x is tan x, cot of 180 plus cot x also, sine of e power tan x plus e power cot x is nothing but f of x. So, f of pi plus x is equal to f of x, then pi is called its period. Okay. Next, 16th question. Let f of x is equal to cos root p times x, where p is equal to integral part of a, where this is greatest integer function, and period of. So, during this time please note down the question. Period of f of x is pi is given, then a lies in, that means in which interval does a lie, that we need to evaluate. First option closed 4 comma 5, second option closed 4 comma 5 open, that is actually semi closed. Here open 4 comma 5 closed, fourth one, okay, fourth one. Hello, now is it visible to you? Hello, hello, are you getting now? Thank you. So, due to power failure we are not able to give the live streaming on time. Okay, now it will be continued. Everybody just ping in the chat box whether you are getting or not. Yes, thank you. So, now 16th question. Let f of x is equal to cos root p of x, where p equal to integral part of a, this is the greatest integer function, and the period of f of x is pi. F of x is pi. Then a lies in, that means in which interval a does a lie. First option, closed 4 comma 5 open, that means 4 belongs to the interval, 5 does not belong to the this interval. Next one is, okay, both are here closed only. This is 4 comma 5 open. Third one, open 4 comma 5, and fourth option 4 comma 5. Okay, I don't write right hand side next time. Okay, sir, there is no clarity, it will come. So now just started the live streaming, so net might be slow. Okay, now the f of x equals to cos root px, where p equals to integral part of a, and the period of f of x is given pi. So that means let us find out the period of this function and equate it to pi, and with the help of this integral part of a, we need to find out the interval. Okay, this is the plan now. So solution, let us do like this. So now solution, okay, period of f of x equal to cos function here, so that means 2 pi by root p, so which is equal to pi. So that means this root p pi cross multiplication 2 pi, this pi gets cancelled, squaring on both sides we get p is equal to 4, but p is equal to here, p is equal to here integral part of a equal to 4. So that means actually whenever a lies between 4 and 5, that means 4 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 5, always if a lies in between 4 to 5, always integral part of a will be 4. Therefore, a belongs to 4 is included, whereas 5 has not been included. So this is the answer. So here second option is the right option. Okay, are you getting now? It's clear, Madhurima, it's clear. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now let us move to the next question. 17th one, period of cot 5 minus 7x upon 2. This is the problem. First option, okay, pi by 2. Second option is 2 pi by 7. Third option is pi by 7. Fourth option, we have 7 pi by 2. So, this is the problem. Okay, let us make a plan to solve this one. So, that means now we need to solve period of cot of 5 minus 7x by 2. So, that means here actually we have one formula, the period of cot of ax plus b. Already we have discussed this formula. The period of cos of ax plus b is pi by mod a. This you remember. This you remember. Okay. The period of cot of ax plus b is, so this one now. So, now the solution. Solution or hint, period is equal to pi divided by, here we need to write x coefficient, what we have, minus 7. So, that means here mod of minus 7, that is pi by 7. So, absolutely third option is the right option. So, option 4, how did you get option 4? Sorry, excellent, correct. We need to check it. We need to simplify this one first of all. Yes, correct. Absolutely, because minus 7 by 2 will be there. Yes, generally we do like this. Okay, this is third option. Solution say f of x, let us write it. That is why this can be written as 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 2x. So, now wait for a while. This is the question. So, now we need to concentrate. Here x coefficient is minus 7. That is why now period is equal to pi by mod of minus 7 by 2. This equal to pi by 1, modulus is always positive, 2 by 7, that is equal to 2 pi by 7. So, that means actually we have second option is the right option. Thank you for giving me clue, very good, wonderful, everybody. Okay, now let us move to the next 18th question now. Are you ready? Okay, 18th question. Period of cosecant x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 plus so on dash dash plus infinity is, this is the question. Okay, option 2 is right. First option pi, second option 2 pi, third option is pi by 2, Fourth option we have pi by 4. It's clear? Question is clear now? Okay, thank you. Okay, let us make a plan now. So, period of cosecant of x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 plus so on dash dash infinity. That means definitely the cosecant of will be the actually infinite geometric series. So, we need to apply a by 1 minus r formula. First, let us simplify this part. So, now the plan is like this. Since it is a geometric progression, first term a is equal to x, or you can take a is also common, you can write first better. First let us write function. So, f of x is equal to, we can write x common, cosecant of, you can write 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus so on dash dash infinity of x. This is geometric progression up to infinity series. So, we have a equals to 1 and common ratio is 1 by 2. We have s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. So, having been substituted a and r, 1 by 1 minus of, this will be 1 by of whose value is 2. Am I correct now? So, that means now the function becomes f of x is equal to, so this value is nothing but 2 now. This becomes cosecant 2x. We know cosecant ax plus b period. So, that is 2 pi by mod a. Period is equal to 2 pi by 2. Mod 2 is 2 only, so pi. So, first option is the right option. Sanjay Rani. Okay. Madhurima. Nineteenth question. Period of 6 cos x to the power of 4 minus 7 sin x to the power of 4. Okay. Is, first option is pi by 2, second option is pi, third option is 3 pi by 2, fourth option is 2 pi. Okay, this is the question. So, now the period of 6 cos x to the power of 4 minus 7 sin x to the power of 4 we need to find out. Already always pi will be the its period. So, first let us here solution. So, f of x is equal to 6 cos x to the power of 4 minus 7 sin x to the power of 4. So, let me give the clue here. For example, if f of x is equal to a sin x to the power of 2n, 2n is even number, plus or minus b cos x to the power of 2n, then its period is equal to pi. Okay, you remember this one. Now therefore you can expect period is equal to, just observe this power 2n form, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Here this is A does not equal to B. This condition also you need to remember. A does not equal to B. So that's why period is pi. So second option is the right option. Thank you, thank you. Question number 20. The period of 2 sin cube x minus 3 cos cube x is. So first option is pi by 2, second option is pi, third option is 2 pi, fourth option is 4 pi. This is the question now. Okay, the period of 2 sin cube x minus 3 cos cube x. Here 3 is odd. So whenever odd, so let us see what you get. First let us write f of x is equal to 2 sin cubed x minus 3 cos cubed x. I will give one clue for you. For example, if f of x is equal to a sin x to the power of 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is the general form of the odd, plus or minus b cos x to the power of 2n plus 1. A does not equal to b. Period is 2 pi. So you remember this important point. Okay. So now here this 3 is odd, 3 is odd, both are odd powers. Therefore, using this condition now, using this condition, period is equal to 2 pi. So that means third option. Varaprasad Bala. If A is equal to B means actually what happens means, even A is equal to B also no problem in this case, but whenever even powers are there, if A is equal to B, pi by 2 will become the option. So that's a problem. Okay. So question number 21. Period of cos x cos 60 minus x cos 60 plus x is. First option pi by 2, second option pi by 3, third option 2 pi by 3, fourth option we have pi. So now the period of cos x into cos 60 minus x into cos 60 plus x. So we need to find out. So Vamshi, Dheeraj, please don't give the other channels in my chart. Okay. Okay, please don't give. So now here plan, see we have one result already studied, cos A cos 60 minus A cos 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. This is very important formula. So we have this, we need to remember. This will be useful for this problem. So this will be very useful for us. So that means now this f of x can be written as, using this concept, so we can write 1 by 4 cos 3x. Am I correct? Because here a for we have x. Now the period is equal to cos of ax plus b period pi by mod a. Here mod a means 3, so pi by 3. Second option is the right option. So once again I request you, all the viewers, please don't give other channels name in our chat box. Okay, if a is equal to b, what is the formula, sir? If a is equal to b, that differs, whether it may be pi by 2 or pi, that depends upon the, sorry sir, one of the subscribers asked me the question in chat, that's why I had given. Okay, please don't give it actually. Even I don't even discuss about other channels also. Okay, so let us concentrate on only our mathematics. It's our channel, it's meant for only mathematics, and sometimes we have even engineering classes also, so some other classes also, but I may not suggest, because I need to maintain my decorum, isn't it now? Okay, thank you. Second question. Period of tan x tan of 120 degrees minus x tan of 120 degrees plus x. So I think I might have written. Okay, let us, yes, that question is actually 2 pi, correct, 2 pi by mod a, that's correct, the previous problem, that is cos 3x means 2 pi by 3. So now the first option is pi by 2, second option is pi by 3, third option is 2 pi by 3, fourth option is pi. Okay. Yes, once again the previous question I will discuss. The previous question is that is 25 first question. See, the f of x equals to, we have 1 by 4 cos 3x. So, the period of cos 3x is equal to period 2 pi by mod a. It's absolutely correct. Sin, cos, sec, cosec is 2 pi. So, here a means 3, 2 pi by 3. Please change in accordingly option 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now, this is 21st question. The period of tan x tan 120 minus x tan 120 plus x. Okay. Now, we need to find out. Here again I recall one formula. Tan a tan 120 degrees minus a tan 120 degrees plus a equals to tan 3a. This is the formula. So, you need to remember. Okay. So, now this f of x can be written as tan 3x, whereas tan of ax plus b period, this period is pi by mod a. Better I shall write the formula also, not to get any confusion. Now, period is equal to pi by 3. So, second option is the right option. S. Venugopal Reddy, correct, option 2. Right, option 2. Madhurima, Ratnakumari, Prasanna, okay, everybody is okay, wonderful, nice. Question number 23. Question number 23. Range of f of x equals to minus 3 cos root of 3 minus x plus x square is, first option we have minus 1 comma 1, all are closed brackets only. Next minus 2 comma 2, third one is minus 3 comma 3, fourth one is minus 4 comma 4. Okay, this is the question. Range means maximum and minimum values we need to find out. The range of f of x is equal to minus 3 cos of this root of 3 minus x plus x square. Okay, now that means actually it seems to be rather, for example, you say this part is equal to something capital X, you say. Now, the solution becomes like this. This f of x is equal to, we can write minus 3 cos of x. So, first the minimum and maximum value of cos, let us write. The minimum is minus 1, maximum is 1. So, that means we can write minus 1 less than or equal to cos x, cos x is less than or equal to 1. This cos x lies the cos capital X here, multiply with minus 3, So, then what do you get now? Very interesting. Here we get when you multiply with negative sign, the inequality symbol changes, you must remember. So, that means here you will get plus 3 greater than or equal to minus minus 3 cos capital X, here greater than or equal to minus 3. So, this can be rewritten as minus 3 less than or equal to. So, instead of this we can substitute f of x less than or equal to 3. That means this is the minimum value of f of x, this will be the maximum value. So, range is equal to f min comma f max. So, that is equal to, this is minus 3 comma 3. So, third option is the right option. Now, Ratna Kumari, are you getting correct now or streaming still? Now, 24th question. Yes, level 2 problems, absolutely correct. 24th problems. The minimum and maximum values of 8 cos 3x minus 15 sin 3x are first option minus 7 comma 17, second option minus 23 comma 23. So, please check the numerical calculations carefully. So, you do yourself also. If any numerical corrections are there, please suggest me. The fourth option we have minus 15 comma 8. Important bits only I am discussing. Actually, here I am discussing all the models. Okay, don't worry. I think today only you joined. Okay. So, now minimum, maximum values of 8 cos 3x minus 15 sin 3x. So, what is the plan need to be applied to solve this problem? Just if you observe this function, this is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x only. So, it does not matter about 3x, 4x or 5x or 7x. So, but this is like this form itself only. So, we have the formula. For example, if f of x is equal to something a cos x plus or minus b sin x, okay, then minimum is equal to minus root of a square plus b square, maximum is equal to root of a square plus b square. This is the information. So, we have okay. Now let us do this problem now. Now here f of x is equal to this 8 cos 3x minus 15 sin 3x. Here a stands for 8, b stands for minus 15. Am I correct now? Let us find out a square plus b square value. A square plus b square, 64 plus this is 225, that is 289. So take the square root and take the square root. This will be 17. Am I correct now? Therefore, using this formula and using this formula, f minimum is equal to minus 17, f maximum, this value is 17. So that means third option is the right option. Okay. I hope everybody will get it clear. Okay. You need to chat whether it's clear or not. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. 25th, the maximum value of 3 upon 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 19 is, this is the question. Okay. First option 1, second option 1 by 2, third option is 1 by 3, fourth option is 1 by 4. Okay. The maximum value of this function we need to find out. So, in order to find out this one, actually here first of all some concept are to be actually recalled now. We need to emphasis on the concepts, after that this problem can be solved. Let us solve it now first of all. So, what are the concepts means? For example, let us say something f of x is equal to 1 by g of x. Now, we need to discuss that when how to find out the minimum value of f of x and maximum value of f of x. Here see, this f minimum is equal to 1 by g maximum. That means we need to write g maximum. Understood now? So, if you want to find out f maximum is equal to 1 by g minimum. So, this concept we need to remember. And one more thing we need to remember. So, one more thing we need to remember. So, this is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. So, now this is say for example g of x. Now, in this case g of x. Now, here in this case to get the maximum, so we need to find out this minimum value. minimum. So, the minimum value is given by c minus root of a square plus b square. So, this we need to remember here. So, we need to remember this one. So, that means now here first minimum value of g of x, let us find out g minimum. G minimum is equal to, c stands for 19. So, 19 minus root of a stands for 5, b stands for minus 12 or 12. So, this is a square is 25, minus 12 square is 144. This is 13 minus root 169. 19 minus 13 is how much you have actually 6. Now, say this function is now f of x. Therefore, we need to find out f max. F max is equal to, what is the f max here? F max is equal to 1 by g minimum. So, 1 by g minimum means actually here already we have 3 is there. So, here 3 you need to write 3 by 6. So, answer is 1 by 2. So, that means here second option. So, correct everybody. So, let it be completed, Pranav. After that I will think over, because still we are in this chapter itself only. So, definitely I will inform you through notification, do not worry. Okay. Minus 12 square is plus 144. Okay. It may be, I think it may be rescheduled, but I do not have the idea. So, next question, what is the question number we have? 26, correct? What is the question number? Anybody help me? What is the question number? Please respond. 26. Thank you. Thank you, Swaroop. Yes, everybody. Thank you. Please. Range of 3 minus 2 cos square x is, first option closed 0 comma 2, second option 1 comma 3, third option we have 1 comma 2, fourth option we have 2 comma 3. Okay. This is the question. Okay. So, now we need to find out the range or means minimum and maximum value of this function 3 minus 2 cos square x function you need to find out. So, first let us have a discussion on this one. This problem can be done in 3 methods. The 3 methods we can do it. See, the first method you can do like this, the first method or method number 1. See, for example, say f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 cos square x. So, this 2 cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2 x formula we have. So, let it be replaced 1 minus 1 minus cos 2 x, we have 2 minus cos 2x. So, formula we have actually C is equal to 2, there is no sign, A 0, B equal to minus 1 cos 2x coefficient. So, we need to find out F minimum. F minimum is equal to C minus root of A square plus B square. So, that equal to C means how much actually 2 minus root 1 only 1. So, F max is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So, that means the second option is the right option. So, otherwise second method see cos square x is always greater than or equal to 0, cos square x is always less than or equal to 0. So, that means 0 less than or equal to cos square x less than or equal to 1, multiply with minus 2. So, 0 greater than or equal to minus 2 cos square x greater than or equal to minus 2, add 3 greater than or equal to 3 minus 2 cos square x greater than or equal to 1. So, now in the place of this write down f of x function. So, 1 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 3. This is second method. So, now third method. So, third method means we can adopt. So, whenever cos square x or sin square x is there, cos square x min, cos square x max, min is 0, max is 1. So, that means if you want to find out f minimum, put maximum value 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now, f max is equal to put minimum value 3 minus 0 3. So, that is all. So, the 3 methods we can solve this problem now. I hope you have understand any one of the strategy we can find out. Second method is too confusing, sir. Okay. If it is confusing, you go for first method or third method. Okay. Start probability after this chapter. Okay. I have given the option to you, choice to you, which method is actually comfortable to you. Just practice that method. Okay. Twenty-seventh question. 27th question. The range of cos x to the power of 4 minus sin x to the power of 4 is. So, Lalita Garu, you might have actually joined late today. First subscribe to our channel, then definitely 10 to 12 and next 8 to 9. Okay, now I asked range, Madhurima. So, this is, see, range means extreme values, 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, and second we have minus 1 comma 1, third we have minus 1 comma 1 open, fourth question we have 1 comma 3 by 2. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, we need to concentrate. The range of cos x to the power of 4 minus sin x to the power of 4. First, we need to make a plan. Okay, cos x to the power of 4 minus sin x to the power of 4 can be factorized. So, using a square minus b square formula, that we can write a plus b into a minus b. So, that so now see the solution. F of x is equal to, we can write so the cos square x whole square minus sin square x whole square. Can I write like this, which is in the form of a square minus b square. So, we have cos square x minus sin square x into cos square x plus sin square x. The cos square x plus sin square x is one of the identity whose value is 1. Okay. Now, you check it, this is 1. So, this will be cos 2x, standard formula. So, now the function becomes cos 2x. The cos 2x means just like cos only. What is the range of cos? It lies between minus 1 and 1. So, second option. That means f minimum is equal to minus 1, f maximum is equal to 1. That is all. Option 2 and 3 are not same. Option 3, 1 is not included. You just carefully observe. So, here 1 is not included. Just remember. Yes, intervals are different. (28) range of sin x to the power of 6 plus cos x to the power of 6 is. So, first option minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Second option is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Third option 1 by 4 comma 1. Fourth option minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. Okay. So, Sai Durga Prasad Batula, pi by 2 is actually, I didn't ask the actually here period, not a period. Yes, Sai Kiran, correct. That is why only there is a difference between range and period. Please try to understand. It is not period, you are asked range of sin x to the power of 6 plus cos x to the power of 6. But you are also correct, pi by 2 this is a period, wonderful. Sometimes the same question may be asked per period also, but your question has not been denied. Okay, second definitely I will start. Suhas Kumar, have you joined? Have you subscribed? First of all, you subscribe it. First, let us make a plan. So, this will be actually this form AQ plus BQ form. This we can write A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. This identity need to be applied for this problem. This will be the our clue. See, I already given the clue. So now you can start working. Say f of x is equal to, this we can write sine square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. Even this problem is useful for trigonometry also. Okay. Pinjala Girisankar, have you joined? So now here see, this is A, this is B. Substitute here now. We get sine square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 sine square x cos square x into sine square x plus cos square x. The sine square x plus cos square x is 1, the sine square x plus cos square x also 1. So 1 cube is 1 minus, you will get 3 sine square x cos square x. Okay. So now this can be written 1 minus 3 by 4 times, can I write like this, 2 sin x cos x whole square. We have 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. This is a formula we have. So this we can write 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2x whole square is sin square 2x. Now put here maximum is equal to 1, minimum is equal to 0. So you get f minimum. F minimum is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, because the maximum is 1 in the place of, that will be 1 by 4. So f maximum is equal to minimum of sin square 2x, substitute 1 minus 0. So 1 by 4 comma 1. So that means you have third option. Okay, multiply and divide with 4. Yes, yes, right. So Mallesham, actually this will be repeated, the repeated classes will be available in our Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So after completion of this chapter, please go through the again after 10 minutes it will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. So that will be, you will understand. Okay. Twenty-ninth question. Range of sine square of 60 degrees plus x minus sine square of 60 degrees minus x is minus k by 2 comma k by 2. Then k equals to, first option 3, second option 2, third option root 3, fourth option is root 2. Okay, this is the problem. So the range of sin square 60 degrees plus x minus sin square 60 degrees minus x is equal to minus k by 2 comma k by 2. Then we need to evaluate k value. Within 2 days I will start second year classes. Okay. Maximum how? Okay, maximum means you need to substitute minimum, Nana, that's all. Okay. So now if you observe this question now, this is in the form of, for example, say this is capital A, say this is capital B. It is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. We have the formula sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Now we need to make use of that formula now. So let us use it now. See the solution. So we have the formula sin square A minus sin square B. This is the hint, equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So you remember this one. So now the function f of x is written as sin of A stands for 60 plus x plus B stands for 60 minus x, and next sin of A minus B, 60 plus x minus of 60 minus x, that is minus 60 minus into minus plus x. This is very important step. X cancel, 60 cancel. We have sin 120, this is sin 2x. Now the sin 120 is sin 90 plus 30 cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 sin 2x. So this minimum is sin 2x minimum is minus 1, maximum is 1, this only sin 2x. That means now we can write like this now. So minus k by 2 comma k by 2 equal to, here we can write now root 3 by 2 into minus 1 minus root 3 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 into 1 is root 3 by 2. Now we need to find out k value. That means k by 2 is equated to this root 3 by 2. So since k by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, k is equal to root 3. Third option. Sir, when you start the class on the morning? 10 o'clock. I started 10 o'clock. Okay, understood. Okay. Sin square, I said minimum value of sin square x is 0, maximum is minus 1. You just check after my session. 30. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Then the range of sin A plus sin B, sin A plus sin B. Okay. Sin A plus sin B is first option minus 1 comma 1, second option minus root 2 comma root 2, third option minus root 3 comma root 3, fourth option minus 2 comma 2. Okay. Here a plus b is equal to 90 degrees given. Next, range of sin A plus sin B we need to find out. So, what is the plan means? Let us change sin B in terms of A. So, that can be done using the given condition. A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Now, B is equal to 90 degrees minus minus A. Sin B equals to sin of 90 degrees minus A, that is cos A. Okay. Now, this function becomes now sin A plus sin B equals to sin A plus the sin B is replaced by cos A. So, it is just like formula we have A cos x plus B sin x form. We know for this one minimum and maximum. See, the minimum is minus root of a square plus b square. So, maximum is root of a square plus b square. Already we have discussed this one. Okay. So, now we need to find out minimum. Here minus root of A equals to actually here 1, B equals to 1, 1 square 1 plus 1, that is minus root 2. Maximum, maximum is equal to root of 1 plus 1, that is root 2. So, range is equal to minus root 2 comma root 2. So, second option. Okay. Question 31. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then the range of cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B. Okay, clear? Is it clear? So, first option we have minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Second option we have minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Third option we have minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Fourth option we have minus 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4. Same just like the previous example plan need to be applied here also. Same plan we can apply. Here A plus B is equal to 90, B is equal to 90 minus A. So, the range of cos A cos B. Now, we need to change this cos B. See, directly I will write this time cos B equals to cos of 90 degrees minus A. since a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. So, this is sin a. Now, this becomes expression, the given expression becomes expression or function is same, no problem. Cos a cos b is cos a into sin a. So, multiply and divide by 2, this can be written half into 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a, half into sin 2a. So, now you are getting confusion, I will write separately. Sin 2a minimum value min is minus 1, max is 1. Therefore, given expression here range is equal to, we can write like this, range is equal to minus 1 into half, minus 1 by 2 and 1 into half, half. So, that means second option. So, 32nd problem, range of 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. First question 0 comma 3, second option 0 comma 4, third option 3 comma 4, all open bracket, closed brackets only, sorry, not open. The fourth option we have minus 4 comma minus 3. This is the question. So, here we have been discussing even function chapter also. Range means function, it belongs to function chapter only, part and parcel of. So, this concept will be covered in functions. Okay. Range of the 3 sin square x plus cos square plus 4 cos square x. Period means pi. Okay. So, now what is the plan means, here we need to apply sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and next cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Just write down these two values and get simplified. This is our plan. So, we need to implement this plan. Let us implement it. So, now here f of x is written as 3 times. So, in the place of sin square x you write this one, in the place of cos square x you write this one. So, 3 times 1 minus cos 2x by 2 plus 4 times 1 plus cos 2x by cos 2x by 2. Just carefully you need to, it belongs to extreme values and periodicity, no sir. Yes. So, now having been taken 2 as LCM, we have 3 minus 3 cos 2x plus 4 cos 2x. Please check, am I correct? So, this will be 4 plus 3, 7 by 2 this will be plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Now, here see the min value and maximum value of cos 2x. Min is minus 1, max is 1. So, now the range is equal to, we get like this, range is equal to 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So, this equal to 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2, 3 is 4, 3 comma 4. So, third option is the right option. The cos 2x. So, put minimum value 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, you will get 3. Put here cos 2x is equal to 1, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that will be 3, 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is the range of this function. The minimum value of sin x multiplied by 1 minus cos x by sin x plus sin x by 1 minus cos x is it visible, this question? First option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option is 4. Okay, I will write once again. I will write once again, please. Of sin x into 1 minus cos x by sin x plus sin x by 1 minus cos x is, this is the question. Okay, now it is visible, I think so, right. So, let us make a plan like this now. Now, very interesting factor, these two are equal, that means the 1 minus cos x by sin x no, let us wait, we can check it now. So, we need to simplify this one now, that is all. So, now let us do it now. Say f of x sin x into, here we have sin x into 1 minus cos x. So, now the 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x whole square, 1 plus cos square x minus 2 cos x, and next what we have here, and next sin x into sin x, that is plus sin square x. Okay, this sin x gets cancelled. We have cos square x plus sin square x is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 cos x by 1 minus cos x. So, take 2 common, you get 2 into 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. This cancel, we have 2. That means f of x is constant function, is constant function. Since it is a constant function, in its range only one value will be there, that is 2, minimum is 2 only. So, that is second option. Sir, why we cannot write 1 minus cos x is equal to sin x? No. So, actually we have 1 minus cos x by sin x is equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x, you can write it, you can check it, I will tell you. So, do not worry, for your sake I will write, it is not related to the problem. So, the 1 minus cos x by sin x is equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x, it is equal, just cross multiply, you will get the idea. But this is not related to this problem, please just neglect it. So, now 34th problem. Range of secant x plus 2 cot 2 x is, first option minus 1 comma 1, second option minus 2 comma 2, third option we have minus 3 comma 3, fourth option we have minus 4 comma 4. Am I correct now? Okay, this is the question. Just think for a while how to solve this question. From where you pick all these questions, sir? From where you pick all these questions? So, just I am noting down like this. Okay. Anybody can give me clue for this one, how to solve this problem? Range of secant x plus 2 cot 2 x. Thank you, thank you. So, now f of x is equal to secant x plus 2 cot 2 x. So, let us convert them in sine function and cos functions. Maximum max you can score, Mastan. So, 1 by cos x plus this is 2 cos 2 x by sin 2 x. So, this we can write now, okay, cos x into sin 2x, sin 2x plus 2 cos 2x and cos x. Okay. Now, this we can write sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos 2x into cos x by cos x into sin 2x. First, let us take cos x common. If you take cos x common, you have 2 sin x, next 2 cos x also you can take out common, sin x plus cos 2x by cos x into sin 2x. This cos x gets cancelled, we have like this. Again this is sin x, the cos 2x we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x. By this we can write 2 sin x. I am not getting this one, actually I will try later this question. Something question wrong is there. Okay, I will discuss later. Yes, 35th. The value of integer, n for which the function f of x is equal to sin nx upon sin x by n has 4 pi as its period. Okay. Then we need to find out n value. First option 2. Okay, sin x is missing. Okay, I will try. After completion of this session, I will try. Second question is 3. Third question is 4. Fourth question is 5. The value of integer n we need to find out, for which the period of this one is 4 pi. First let us find out the period. Please leave that question. Sir, minimum how many marks we will get following your videos? Okay, Sanjay. Okay, now first period of sin nx write down. Period of sin nx, say that is P1 equal to 2 pi by n. Am I correct now? So next sin of x by n period, say P2, that is 2 pi by here x coefficient is 1 by n. So, that will be 2n pi. Now, we need to find period of this function, means f of x period. Say f of x period is equal to LCM of P1 comma P2. So, that is LCM of 2 pi by n comma 2n pi. Here LCM will be, this is the LCM. So, 2n pi, but already it is given that 4 pi, pi gets cancelled, n equal to 2. So, first option. Thirty-sixth question. 36th question. Okay. Thirty-sixth question. The minimum and maximum values, okay, of phi cos x plus 3 cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 8 is. So, first is 1 comma 11, 1 comma 11, second is 11 comma minus 1, third is 6 comma 5, fourth is 5 comma 6. So, I have not discussed this type of question. This is very, very important. So, please try to concentrate this question. So, here if you apply directly, you will not get wrong answer, because it seems to be rather this form a cos x or a sin x plus b, a cos x plus b sin x plus c form, but do not apply directly unless you simplify this one. First you need to simplify, then you need to apply. So, this is the plan to be applied here. Say f of x is equal to phi cos x plus 3 times here cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos x, cos b cos pi by 3 plus minus sin a sin x sin pi by 3 plus 8. After prior simplification, we need to apply the formula. Formula you know, that is c minus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square. This we need to apply. Not visible. Okay. Phi cos x plus 3 into cos is 60 is 1 by 2 cos x, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 sin x plus 8. So, phi cos x plus 3 by 2, this is 13 by 2 cos x minus root 3 by 2 sin x plus 8. Okay, now apply this formula. Here a equals to 13 by 2 and b equals to minus root 3 by 2 and c equal to 8. You apply this formula, this will be minimum, this will be maximum. you try, definitely you will get the answer. Okay. Now so that means I will write once again. So now this will be in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c, whose minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square, whose maximum value is c plus root of a square plus b square. So these three values substitute here and get the answer. Okay. So thank you one and all, bye bye, see you. Okay. So we shall meet you in the next class.